racing against time to help save lives in remote wilderness, and they're all without a human pilot at the controls. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality we're rapidly approaching today. This transformation is happening now, driven by artificial intelligence, automation, smart technology. The convergence of these fields has unlocked the potential for drones to operate independently, making complex decisions in real time. They're no longer just remote-controlled toys for hobbyists or simple tools for aerial photography. Instead, they're evolving into sophisticated autonomous systems, capable of performing a vast array of tasks that will reshape daily routines and industries. Innovators and engineers around the globe are pushing boundaries, developing systems that can navigate complex urban environments. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it's essential to understand the technology that will define it. This documentary will offer a clear, professional, future-focused exploration of autonomous drones. We'll demystify how these machines operate, from the hardware that gets them airborne to the software that gives them a mind of their own. We'll journey through benefits like rapid logistics, enhanced personal security, and real-world applications already making a difference today. Our goal, a comprehensive, easy-to-understand overview of this transformative technology and its place in our shared future. Throughout this exploration, we will start by defining what exactly an autonomous drone is, how its intelligent capabilities set it apart from manually operated predecessors.